Welcome to Math, Lesson 9.6, Fractions in Simplest Form. Let's take a closer look. So today we'll be looking at fractions in simplest form. So we're going to learn how to change fractions to a much simpler way of writing them. First, look at these shapes. All three shapes are the same, but they're divided into different parts. Here we have 4/8. We can pretend it's a pizza. Here we have 2/4, and here we have exactly 1/2. So why do we say 4/8 when we really mean 1/2? Well, we simplify our fraction, and that simply means we put it in a simplest form. To simplify a fraction, you're going to divide the top and bottom number, the numerator and the denominator, by the highest number that can divide into both. It's exactly like our factor trees. We're trying to find the factors and trying to find a common factor. How do we simplify a fraction? Say we have the fraction 8/12. There's a couple different ways to do it. One, you can find a common factor, a factor that can easily divide into 8 and 12. Well, we know that that can be 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. But is that the smallest numbers that it can have? No. That's why we have a question mark there. Because it can be divided more. I can divide 2 into it again. And finally, we come to a place, 2/3, that it can't be divided anymore. Divided down anymore. That's one way to do it. A faster way, a quicker way, a shortcut would be to find what we call the GCF, which is the greatest common factor. So we know the greatest common factor for 8 and 12 that goes into both 8 and 12 is 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So that was much faster, and we got the same exact answer. So it would be much easier for you to look for the greatest common factor than to do it little by little. But if this helps you, please do it that way too. You're going to be continue on in the practice section of lesson 9.6, Fractions in Simplest Form. Please see your homework sheet for the problems that you need to do. And if you have any questions, just contact me.